Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets science in the most exciting way possible. Have you ever woken up with that glass skin glow that looks like you've just stepped out of a spa? If not, I've got something special for you today. We're going to talk about the belif Vitamin E Jelly Overnight Mask, a product that claims to hydrate, plump, and give you that radiant, smooth skin you've been dreaming of. But does it live up to the hype? Keep watching to find out. And make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an honest, in-depth review. This overnight mask from belif is designed to work while you sleep. It's packed with vitamin E, red algae, and jojoba oil to give your skin an intense hydration boost and that sought-after plump glowing complexion. The unique jelly texture is meant to melt into your skin, creating a moisturizing barrier that locks in hydration all night long. Plus, it's designed to be pillow-proof. No greasy mess on your pillowcase, just smooth, nourished skin by morning. It's also free from parabens and sulfates, making it safe for even the most sensitive skin. I've been using this mask for a few weeks now, and I have to say I'm impressed with how it's worked into my routine. First off, let me tell you, it feels completely weightless when you apply it. It's a cool, bouncy gel that quickly absorbs into the skin. No sticky residue, and I can honestly say I haven't experienced any discomfort, even when I've used it in combination with other products. The real test, though, is how it performs overnight. After using it consistently for several nights, I can report that my skin feels hydrated and plump by morning. It really does help with the look of dry, tired skin, especially if you've been burning the candle at both ends. I've noticed a bit more elasticity, too. My skin looks fuller, and I'd definitely say it's contributing to that coveted glass skin effect. Plus, it's incredibly gentle, which is something I look for in overnight skincare. Of course, no product is perfect. The main con here is that it's a bit pricey for the size, especially when you can compare it to other hydrating masks on the market. But the good news is that a little goes a long way, so you won't be reaching for it constantly. The texture can also be a bit slippery, so make sure to let it fully absorb before lying down to avoid any potential slip-off. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try this mask, I've got the link in the comments for you. Now let's talk about the value for money. At $34 for 2.53 follats, it is on the higher end, but considering how effective it is and how long it lasts, I think it's worth the investment, especially if you're looking for something that will hydrate deeply without irritating sensitive skin. Plus, the product's quality reflects its price point. The ingredients are top-notch, and the formula delivers on its promises, so you're not just paying for a fancy name. Comparing this to other overnight masks on the market, I'd say it stands out in terms of its lightweight, pillow-proof formula. Many hydrating masks can leave your skin feeling greasy or sticky, but this one doesn't. It's also more versatile for sensitive skin compared to others that may contain harsher chemicals or fragrances. As for the build quality, the packaging is simple but sturdy, and it does feel like a luxury product. The jar is easy to open and use, and the design is sleek enough for it to fit nicely on your vanity. Final thoughts? The belif Vitamin E Jelly Overnight Mask lives up to its promises of providing deep hydration, plumpness, and a glowing complexion. It's especially great for anyone with sensitive skin looking for a fuss-free, overnight treatment. The price might be a bit of a stretch for some, but for those who are willing to invest in high-quality skincare, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.